Today we're on the search for a new keto-friendly rice replacement, and we've found one. And by the way, this video is sponsored by Thrive Market, but more about them later. Sarah and I are big fans of rice. We grew up eating it because if you didn't know, we are half Asian. Hi, Mom. Mom, you make the best rice out there, but it doesn't really fit into our ketogenic lifestyle because Sarah and I have been living this way since January of 2019. And we've lost 160 pounds. We miss it though. So we're always trying to find new and exciting rice replacements. And typically, we eat cauliflower rice. And I know, booing, cauliflower, it's so 2020 because cauliflower is pretty much in everything nowadays. But don't knock cauliflower rice until you try our method, which we took from someone else, which is the dry cook method. So you might be asking, well, if you like cauliflower rice so much, why try anything new? And that's because that's what we do here on our channel. So if you like our vibe, please subscribe because we're trying to get to 250,000 subscribers this year. Subscribing is free. It's just clicking a button. But it does help support our channel. So what is this replacement? It's actually wild rice, the rice that we're trying to duplicate today. This is an ingredient that Sarah and I have been exploring a little bit here on our channel over the past couple months. It's hemp hearts. They look like this. They are shelled hemp seeds, and they are a superfood, which means that they are full of good fatty acids and magnesium and all kinds of things. And we get ours from Thrive Market, who's the sponsor of this video. Thrive Market is an online membership-based grocery store on a mission to make healthy living easy and affordable for everyone, with guaranteed savings on every order. We saved over $13 on our last order. We know that so many of you guys do not live near a place that sells keto-friendly products, and Thrive Market does. And Sarah and I love going on the app or on the website, selecting keto and seeing everything that they have to offer. Sarah and I like to buy staples like almond flour, coconut flour. I really love this soup. It's really good. I always buy like 4 cans of it for myself. And Sarah and I love going through and selecting a couple of new things to try, like these Kevin's keto-friendly sauces. This one is the Korean barbecue, and this one is the Thai coconut sauce. And as you're scrolling, make sure to look for the Thrive Cash badge, and you're gonna get Thrive Cash back on that product when you order it. Orders over $49 ship for free with carbon neutral shipping. So remember to join Thrive Market using our special link, thrivemarket.com/ketotwins, and you are going to get 30% off your first order plus a free gift of up to $60. Thanks so much to Thrive Market for sponsoring this video. Let's get back to the recipe. So over the past couple months, Sarah and I have been using hemp hearts to make keto-friendly fried falafel. And that's one of our favorite lunches that we have been having. It is so good. You need to check out that recipe. A couple weeks ago, was it a week? Couple weeks ago. And more recently, we used them to make a keto-friendly oatmeal replacement, which is very, very good. The recipe that we've chosen to try today looks really good. It's by ruled.me. This recipe is called Keto Mushroom Wild Rice Pilaf. We're gonna be leaving a link to this recipe in the description below. Please go there for all of the measurements and the intricacies of this recipe. We're just gonna be testing it today. So you will be needing hemp hearts or hemp seeds, butter, mushrooms, sliced almonds, chicken broth, dried parsley, salt and pepper to taste, and actually we're gonna throw a little bit of thyme in there because I believe that this recipe is going to be perfect for fall. So first up, we're going to wash our mushrooms and then we're going to dice them into a fine chunk. And so this is for a wild rice dupe. And Sarah, do you know how they harvest wild rice?
No, I don't.
You can go to a lake and if you see the reeds outside of the water, you can go in with a rowboat, take your oar, and slap the rice into the rowboat. So if Sarah, if you ever want to go foraging to do that, let me know. I thought that would be kind of fun. So with mushrooms, you're not really supposed to douse them in water. You're supposed to just lightly rub them, like the other mushroom video that we did, where we used king oyster mushrooms to make keto noodles. So I think that this recipe is gonna go fairly fast. So we're gonna turn on our pan to medium heat and we're gonna melt 2 tablespoons of butter until it's nice and bubbly. Next up, we're gonna add in our almonds and our mushrooms. And we're gonna cook those down until they're nice and sauteed. It smells amazing. We're gonna add in our hemp hearts now. And we're gonna mix them all in together with our mushrooms and almonds.
Looks like rice, kind of, from far away.
Smells good.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're gonna reintroduce some liquids into this pan. We're using Better Than Bouillon chicken, but you could use chicken stock. We just really like the Better Than Bouillon because you can keep it in the fridge forever and it has so much good flavor.
Hot pan.
Oh, yeah. It smells like fall. I love it. The thing about this is that it's not necessarily going to absorb the liquid like rice would, right? You're pretty much adding flavor through this chicken stock and you're gonna be adding the spices in and then you're gonna want to cook most of that moisture out. When you do, you should end up with a rice-like pilaf. We're gonna be adding in some fresh thyme at this point. We're gonna be adding in some parsley and a touch of black pepper. The Better Than Bouillon does have salt in it, so we're gonna try it before we salt it at the end.
It's good.
I know, it smells amazing. We have turned down the heat to low, and we are going to cook out most of this moisture. It's probably gonna take about 5 or 10 minutes or so. This looks so good and it smells even more amazing. We are gonna plate this up, go downstairs, and give it a try. The dogs are about to go crazy because Sarah's husband's about to walk in the door.
Okay, I'm coming back.
Lock them out.
Wait for me.
I have to be there for this.
It looks like a pilaf to me. I don't know if I order pilafs often. What is a pilaf? A bed of rice, most likely.
This is delicious. It really is. You see, I was shocked. It has the mouthfeel of wild rice. I think the almonds add some kind of like, you know how wild rice might be a little hard? Some of the grains are a touch hard, but oh my goodness, this is so good.
And the mushroom, thyme, classic flavors. This would be a great side dish with some chicken.
Thanksgiving.
Maybe serve this at Thanksgiving and see if anybody knows what it is. Or just don't even say what it is. The grains are a little bit smaller than rice, but I think this could pass as a couscous.
But when you bite down into it, you are getting that almond, and I think the almond is a really cool addition to this. What if you like chopped the almond smaller?
Yeah, maybe.
They might imitate the harder pieces of wild rice a little bit more, but this is excellent. This is like, it's really good.
Would you say it's better than cauliflower rice? It's different.
It's just really, really good. I don't know.
I'll definitely be making this dish again.
But sometimes we taste stuff and we say, this is very healthy tasting. This is really healthy tasting, but it's got all of like the flavors in there that you would expect from a wild rice dish. It's just really good.
The dish that I love from Cheesecake Factory is chicken and wild rice soup. I don't know why. Because it was on their lunch special. You get half sandwich, soup, for like $7, okay? And
Really?
yeah, well they used to. I don't know how much it was now, but back in high school.
$25 now.
I used to get this when I would go there on a Monday. I miss that soup. I wonder if you could do that with, something like this. Make a chicken and wild rice soup, creamy. Yeah, I'm super happy with this though.
I believe this recipe has about 3 or 4 net carbs per serving. They're carbs well spent. Everything is super nutritious. Just not the same as if you were to eat, 20 carbs of something else. I feel like if I wanted a double of this recipe, if I wanted a double serving, I'm gonna have it guilt-free.
I'm glad that we didn't add any more salt though, because that Better Than Bouillon is pretty salty. They do have a reduced sodium version, I believe. I have some on my face.
So we've tried a couple hemp heart recipes so far on our channel, and this one is super impressive. You need to try it. If you guys have any other ways that you use hemp hearts on your keto lifestyle, please let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to join Thrive Market today using our special link, thrivemarket.com/ketotwins, and you're gonna get 30% off your first order plus a free gift of up to $60.
And if you guys want to see the video where we used hemp hearts to make oatmeal, which was super good, you can click on the video on the screen and we'll see you over there. Anyway, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Emily.
And we are the Keto Twins signing out.
People say I like to watch Sarah eat. It's just out of curiosity. I don't have anything else to do.
Because you finished yours first.